everyone, it's Hayley from Large Family Fire here. I just thought I would do a end of January net worth update to see how we went in the first month of 2026. So we started the year with a net worth of $243,507.79, and in January at the end of January, our net worth dropped to $229,883.51. And the reason why that is because we took on more debt this month. Hopefully the last of it, but it is what it is. And so we're just going to be onwards and upwards for the rest of the year, hopefully. So let's have a little look at the breakdown on the graph. So our assets distribution, we have other assets of 49.9%. That's our vehicles, our contents, and yep, that's that. Cash and bank accounts is 2.7%. Investments, which includes superannuation, 3 superannuation accounts, and a very tiny share portfolio of 34.6%. And then our property is 12.7% of our net worth. So obviously our property is not income producing at the moment, but hopefully it will be throughout this year. So that will be good. Now our liabilities distribution, we have 4.9% of short-term debt and 95.1% of long-term debt. And it's not good long-term debt, it's not a mortgage. So let's have a little look at where we went wrong, I guess, or where things went south on the net worth. So assets started the year at $395,609.19, and our assets at the end of January are $432,338.60. So our assets went up, and that is because we acquired a caravan. Our savings have gone up slightly. Our superannuation has gone up slightly, although I don't have my husband's figures, so I've just left them the same. Next time I get an update from him, hopefully next month I'll update that. Hopefully his went up as well. And we have a new tiny little share portfolio and a little bit of funds left over in our investment account to pay for shares. And then our property, I've kept the valuation the same. I haven't seen any other similar properties sell in our street or in our town this month, so I've just kept that the same. Although things are looking good there because my husband saw a post of a block of land that's for sale for more than what we have. Apparently it has power to the block, but I don't see how that would be possible. I might go and have a little drive by and see if there is little power connected there. And people were going crazy, like, where is this town? How much is this? Why is it so cheap? So hopefully next month I can see a sale for that block of land and maybe update the valuation on ours. And then our assets, I've got still the same amount in our savings account, same value for a camper trailer, my ute, Brennan's car, and our D-Max. And our contents, they all still have the same value because that's how much they're insured for. That's what I used to do the calculations. And then we've obviously purchased a caravan. I've actually got a quote or anything. We haven't taken delivery of it yet. I transferred the money this morning, and we will pick it up at the end of the week once my husband's knocked off work. So that's exciting. So I've just put in the purchase price, $26,000. And short-term debt, that is supposed to be up there. Sorry, I just fixed that up because I don't plan on having zip pay for that long. So we haven't paid anything off our zip pay or my mum or my brother Brent this month, so they are still remaining the same. And then help debt has remained the same. That will likely stay that until end of financial year, when my husband's help debt repayments are applied. Land loan, including interest, is gone down a little bit, but then obviously our caravan loan, including the interest that we owe on it, is now added. So that is where we're at. We don't have any other liabilities. That's where it is at. Hopefully we will see our assets continue to grow and our debt really start to go down from this month onwards, from February onwards. We are trying for a really frugal February in our house, so that we can start throwing more money in savings and paying off some debts, especially some of those shorter term debts. I have a goal to pay back my mum $250 this month and pay an extra $100 off our zip pay. So that'll be nearly $200 off the zip pay gone this month, hopefully. So that is that. And if you want a similar net worth tracker, this is part of the CoPlenty's Budget 2.0 Advanced Tracker. And you can get the Google sheet at coplenty.com. I'll pop my affiliate link in the comments and also the description. And if you use the code Hayley10, you will get a discount if you purchase any of the spreadsheets there. So please, that helps me pay off some debt if you do ever use any of my affiliate links. But I absolutely love the spreadsheet. It's got lots of cool features. It's got annual dashboard, annual totals, January all the way through to December, savings and debt tracker, a debt snowball calculator, net worth dashboard, which is the page you're seeing now. It's also got a calendar as well. And then I have added, no I haven't, so yeah, that's where we're at. There's also obviously the instructions. Here's our annual totals. So it's going to be really cool to see how, like, this has got so much insight and overview, so I can't wait to really see our numbers, and hopefully these graphs really like, I can't wait. I just can't wait. I'm such a little nerd. So anyway, thank you. That's my January net worth update. I hope you found it interesting and like seeing real numbers. I'm a mum of 5 children. We rent. We have a vacant block that we're hoping to do some flower farming on and possibly build, maybe not. Lots of options there. And we live in rural outback Queensland. So if you are into budgeting or anything, please hit subscribe. Feel free to hit the links in my affiliate links for this tracker and other trackers available at CoPlenty. It does help support us, and I hope you've enjoyed my net worth update. I'll be back next month with another one.